All right, so for the persons who know that they can cook, I'm wondering why you're not cooking, because you're supposed to take this thing serious, And I don't mean just cook for yourself or cook for your relatives now and again on occasion. But say you can do a nice grilled fish, steamed fish, fried fish, and throw down your delicious hand in the festival and the dumpling them and all of the nice meals that you can come up with and recipes, and you have your own little spices and your own little unique way of throwing in yourself into the meal so that people know that it's you, it's special. Then you have a responsibility. If you don't know how to do it, just start small. Have a weekend barbecue. Have a little fish fry and say, okay, I'm making it small, starting with 20 persons, 30 persons, maybe 50 persons if I can manage that, and I'm gonna do 50 tickets, 20 tickets, whatever I can manage, and it's just for these persons because I want to test and see just my capacity to do this. And you start there, organize yourself, get help if you need help, and get persons who are capable and willing to come on board with you, and you do your thing. Start there and then get some feedback. Once you get the feedback and you can see how you can improve, then you can formalize it, go bigger, go higher. But my thing is that you just need to start somewhere. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have everything all together. You just need to start, and people will give you the support when they see that you're willing to do and put in the effort, and they're enjoying what you're offering. People will give you the support. They will. So don't doubt yourself. Just start with what you have, where you are, and see how you can grow from there. So all who have them like a cooking gift and sit down on it, start. You have the responsibility, and people are waiting for you for some good food, some healthy food. Remember, a lot of sick people out there, they need good healthy food, nourishment and nutrition. Yes, so bear these things in mind. Comfort food is also something. A lot of people stressed out, and on the weekend they want something to relax them mind, them soul, and them body. Yeah, so you have that responsibility, and we're gonna put it on you today to start with what you have, develop your gift, throw it out there to the world, and start making some money. Yeah, because there's money to be made from your gift. That's what it's there for. Come on, people, let's